Due to the current volatility of the cryptocurrency market and the possibility of impending major events, anyone with even a passing interest in Shiba INU or SHIB tokens would be foolish to miss this video. When it comes to Shiba INU coin, what are the latest news items and how will they affect its value? In this video, I'll answer all of your questions and give you the lowdown on the 5 newly published facts about Shiba INU that can increase their value. In order to make sure nothing gets overlooked, since I have put in a lot of time researching this, I highly recommend watching the entire video. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news, but before we get into our problem, let's look at the graph to see how the price is changing on October 23rd. With a 24-hour trading volume of $234 million, the price of Shiba INU has dropped 3.2% over the past day, and it is currently selling at around 1,759 units. The token has surpassed $10.3 billion in market value, making it the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. These rates might have changed by the time you watch the video. Your money is not being advised by this. Now we may get to the video for today. Why is the price falling while the SHIB burn rate is 941%? The price has remained mostly unchanged despite a 941% increase in weekly SHIB burns, suggesting that Shiba INU has implemented a more stringent token burning schedule. 322 million tokens, valued at $5,933, were delivered to null addresses on the blockchain in the past 7 days. When Shiba INUs are feeling particularly hot, they can burn more quickly. Over the past 24 hours, 6 million tokens have been burned as the price of SHIB battles to stay above the important 1,800 unit support level. In this instance, 54% of Guardians gain from this price range. The Shiba INU price might fully reverse its bull run from September to 2135 units if burns don't cause it to rise enough. Importantly, Shiba INU burn rates are dependent on the native blockchain of Shibarium Layer 2. Actually, a large chunk of the $250 million in petrol currency bond swap transaction fees is frequently turned back into SHIB and burned to gradually reduce the supply of Shiba INU. What this means for the future of SHIB prices is that the cryptocurrency's rising trading activity on Shibarium 02 might be a game changer in terms of getting back to the monthly highs. The Blockchain Explorer Shibarium scan reported that on October 19, 2024, the SHIB Army's blockchain could handle up to 24,289 transactions daily. Over the past few days, Shibarium's transaction volume has consistently been below 10,000, so yesterday's 242.89 transactions could be considered unusual. The most active locations for Shiba INU are in the 1,800 to 2,000 unit price bracket, thus any sell-offs in that area would hurt the breed's value. At 1,760 units, the 15th seeded SHIB is 3% lower than a day ago. In contrast, derivatives trading for Shiba INU coin surged by 16%. Considering the long to short ratio of 0.89 according to the leveraged trading activity, short sellers have been more active than long bidders over the past 48 hours. Why is this important? There will be a greater effort to decrease supply from community members who believe in the arguments that outbid competitors. It would mean a lot if you could show your appreciation by clicking the like button while you're here. Not only is it free, but it also helps the channel out a lot. But keep an eye out for the latest Shiba news and the potential future of the Shiba INU currency. Keep an eye on these 3 signs that the Shiba INU price is going up. The SHIB bulls are happy. The second largest meme coin has shown excellent performance with a 30% increase in price in the last month. Several important signs suggest that the rally may continue in the near future, even though there was a little drop today. One of these encouraging signs is the return of Shibarium, the Shiba INU's layer, to the scaling solution. In the past 2 days, the network's daily transaction volume has surged to 324,000 and 242,000, respectively. Such large numbers were last observed in April of this year. New and active accounts, along with other Shibari-related metrics, have likewise witnessed a significant uptick in the past few years. Improved user engagement and increased network adoption and utility are possible outcomes of the protocol's revival. Investors might interpret this as a vote of confidence, leading to an influx of capital into the ecosystem. Following that, we will go over the Shiba INU's burning mechanism. An approximately 400% spike in the burn rate in the last 24 hours has resulted in the destruction of 6.3 million tokens, according to data. If demand remains unchanged or goes up, the Initiative's goal is to reduce the supply of SHIB, which could lead to higher prices. Of the more than 583 trillion tokens in circulation today, 410.7 trillion have been sent to a null address. The average coin industry's recent leadership and advancements is the third good reason. Shiba INU and Bonk have also had significant increases throughout that time, but Dogecoin is currently leading with weekly increases of around 30%. Notably, today's rockstar, Cat in a Dog's World, saw a surge of double digits, reaching a new record high of almost 1 penny. This happened not long after the asset's trading capabilities were made public on Bit, South Korea's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Things aren't always roses and sunshine. There is one downside that could cause the Shiba INU price to fall, even if the market as a whole is positive. According to CryptoQuant, the net flow of the SHIB exchange has been overwhelmingly favorable over the past few days. The trend suggests that more and more investors are moving their holdings to centralized platforms, which increases the urgency to sell. Now we can dive into the main storyline of the video. The Shiba INU might get the golden cross in 10 days, either now or in the year 2025. In conventional financial markets, a golden cross is considered a good sign, and it may form soon for Shiba INU within the next 100 days. Technical patterns such as the crossing of shorter-term and longer-term moving averages are frequently seen at the beginning of substantial upswings. There may be more nuance to the significance of the event for Shiba INU than meets the eye. Despite the golden cross's potential excitement for traders and investors, there is some bleak history to think about. The last time Shiba INU saw a golden cross was how recently? Despite the more muted reality, many speculated that this sigma would cause SHIB's price to skyrocket. Many were disappointed that the SHIB price hike that was anticipated did not materialize immediately following the golden cross. While the asset did experience a temporary slowdown, the golden cross played little to no role in the expansion that ultimately took place. It is critical to maintain control over expectations due to this historical tendency. For average currencies like SHIB, golden crosses aren't always a sign of good things to come, despite popular belief to the contrary. Despite the possibility of a golden cross formation, the token has been losing value over the past year, so another decline is still in the cards. More important than this technological breakthrough will be the larger market conditions and the buzz generated by the SHIB community in determining the future price trajectory of the company. The golden cross may indicate a longer-term recovery, although when it will materialize is uncertain and might be before or after 2025. Today has come to a close. Make sure to give it a strong recommendation. Subscribing and sharing will take you to our most current videos.